Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be making some slime. So I already have everything out. So I have my bowl, I have my glue, I have lotion, I have my activator, I have some glitter. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna add in the glue. Got a pug shirt on. Put that in there. I'm not gonna make that much, but I will make kind of a lot, but not that much. I'm gonna add some baby lotion. Squirt, 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 squirt. It's a pretty big slime, so I have to add a lot of baby lotion. This is what it looks like so far. I kind of want the color to turn to purple, but oh, it's making it like a baby blue. I like that. It's not turning into slime yet because I didn't add activator. Oh, I love the color. So then I'm gonna add some glitter. I got some green glitter. It'll actually kind of, I think, match. Oh, that matches so good. Hold on, I'll show y'all in a minute. Mom, should I make Miss Amanda slime? You think she would freak out? Yeah. My coach in cheerleading at Atlanta Jayhawks. Oh, these are Jayhawks colors. Blue and green. So this is what it looks like so far. Love the color. Love the green in it. Oh, my chateau. Okay. And I want to add a teensy bit activator because this activator is very strong. It's not regular Tide. Even if you do a drop just like that, it'll activate it like so good. Not lying. This is just regular stuff. It's just, oh, it's already forming. It's just regular, what is it? I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Laundry detergent. Oh, that might be a little too much. Don't want to overactivate. Ooh, that's actually perfect. Let's keep mixing. Come on. I do not want to go in with my hands right now. I'm going to add like, oh, I think I added too much activator. Oh, well, actually, that was actually the perfect amount, I guess. It's definitely coming together. You guys can definitely see it's coming together. I think it is good. Ooh. It's actually, oh, the lotion didn't do anything. Well, this is a big slime. Oh, gosh. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky. Ugh. I just need to keep kneading it until it's like slime. Come on, dude. I think I'm gonna activate a little too much activator. So that's bad. Yeah. Maybe if I add glue, maybe it'll help. But let me just keep mixing and see what happens. I'm gonna add some lotion. If I added all that glitter for nothing, I'm gonna be mad. Lotion, lotion. Everybody does lotion. I'm just gonna pour the, I'm opening the lid and doing it. Ooh, okay. I'll put that in there. Oh. Oh, that's a lot. You guys, I put so much. I didn't even mean to put that clump in there. You guys, look how much that is. Oh my goodness. Hopefully this fixes it. Oh gosh. That is a lot. Should I go in with my hands? I'm gonna go in with my hands. Ugh, I feel slimy. Oh, there's the slime. That's not even mixed yet. This is very stringy. I wonder if it'll work. Cause I think I overactivated. Actually, maybe not. It is coming together a little, but I still gotta mix. Let's just keep mixing. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I'm trying not to make this a long video, but turns out this might be a long video. So mix. It won't even stick. Well, kind of, but. Oh, and if y'all did not know, quick update. My birthday is tomorrow, so yay! I think this was a fail. I need to make a new one. I added way too much activator. I'll be right back. Oh no, this is really bad. Ugh. Disgusting. Okay, guys, I'm back with another bowl. I'm gonna go really quick. So, I'm not pouring a lot. That's actually way too much. Come on, come on. I really do not want to make this a long video. It's already at 6 minutes and 51 seconds. So I'm like freaking out. That might be good. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, come on. It's forming, but not quite there. Try not to add that much activator this time. Okay, let's just go in with our hands. It's very sticky, but I still gotta knead it, so. This is how I don't really need slime like this, because this is not regular slime. It's a different glue slime, and I'm trying not to get it all over my hands. Come on. I think I might need a little more activator. Get off my hand! Oh no, it's about to be 8 minutes on this. My goal is to try to not make it to 10 minutes. But that's probably gonna be a flop. Come on. Okay. It's coming together, I think I might need a little more activator. But I'll just keep mixing. No, I don't need any more activator. See, I knew I overactivated it. This is underactivated. You see how it's sticking? This activator is very strong. Like I said in the beginning, don't want to add too much. Come on, get off. I'm like stressing out over slime, like what? I never do that, but oh no, I better hurry. I really do not want to make this a long video, guys, because then it might be too long for y'all and you might not watch it, and that's bad. Can't really see my face because I'm on my knee. Okay, it's finished. This is it before, and I'm going to show you it after, and then this is it after when I put lotion in. Or I squirted it on the table. And this is it when I put lotion in. Hold on. I'm like freaking out right now. Oh no, it's almost 10 minutes. Mix. Come on, it's not like mixed fully. And I guess it's fine if it goes over 10 minutes. It's fine. Slime videos are, of course, gonna take a pretty long time. But, yeah. This is still a little sticky. So I'm gonna add some more lotion. The lotion actually makes it sticky. and it's at 10. I can't believe I did 10 minutes just for slime. Add a Teensy deactivator. Ooh. And this is it after. It's very stretchy. So that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys are wondering where the rest of our videos are, like, just go on, type in on YouTube the search button, Mirna Sarvan, and all of our videos will pop up. Like me when I used to do gymnastics, but I now do cheerleading, and then my brother, and just fun stuff. And then go check out the video when I pranked my brother with the cooking wrap yesterday. That was awesome. I put it like all around here, and he couldn't get out, and then we just ran through it, and it was super fun. Alright, so I have a lot of cleaning up to do, and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I know I already said that, but bye! Have an awesome summer break.